Hi dears, now for you book reading. Unit 6, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Reaching the Age of Adolescence. First of all, we see introduction. We saw the introduction. What do you see? Growing up is a natural process. Growing is a natural process that takes place in all living organisms. Which one living organism? Plants and animals. Already we know, no? So, all the living organisms, both plants and animals, growing up. It is a natural process. All living organisms grow up to maturity. What purpose that grow? Want to mature. Which is the ability to respond to a particular environment. Maturity, along with the experiences, produces a progressive series of changes in an organisms. Maturity, what takes place? Changes in an organisms. Changes in an organism. These series changes are called development. The changes are called development. What do you mean by development? Series of changes. Which one? Maturity along with the experiences produces a progressive series of changes in an organism is called what? Development. Is called development. Different phases of human development are called developmental stages. Human developmental stages include, what are the changes? Include infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, middle age and old age. 6 stages present in our human life. Human developmental stages. How many stages? 6 stages. What are they? Infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, middle age and old age. What do you mean by infancy? The growing baby, the first newborn baby, no? That one is called infancy. Newborn baby is called infancy. Next, 1 to 5 years, that one is called childhood period. What do you mean by adolescence? After the childhood, 10 to 13 years, that one is called adolescence. Next, adulthood. After attaining adolescence, that one adulthood period. Next, middle age. Middle age means 40 age. Nearly 40 ages. Next, last stages, all of you know that one, old age. Among all these stages, adolescence is the most crucial and significant period in an individual lives. These 6 changes, which one important? Adolescence is the most important period. Why? It is a crucial and significant period in an individual life. Crucial means that one very complicated. It is a period of transition from childhood to adulthood. What do you mean by adolescence? It is a period of transition from childhood to adulthood is called adolescence. Childhood periodல இருந்து adulthood periodக்கு போகிறது தான் what? Adolescence. This period starts at the age of about 10 to 13 years and end at the age of 19 years. Which time start that period? 10 to 13 years. Which time end? 19 years. That commonly that age is called teenage. Almost all of you would have entered this period now. Why say like this? Why means we are and all 8th standard. Now 13 years. So all the members enter that adolescence period. Okay. In this lesson, you are going to study about the changes that takes place in you as you enter the age of adolescence. Age of adolescence. You will also study about the reproductive phases of human life. Reproductive phases of human life. Reproductive health. nutritional needs of adolescents and personal hygiene during adolescence. Already I said no. What I said? Adolescent period is most crucial and significant period. So this period, all of you, what are the things we know? That body changes also takes place, and also what are the things we followed, you will also study about the reproductive phases of human life, and also nutritional needs of adolescents, personal hygiene during adolescence, with all the things we want to know about this lesson. Why means this one important period for you. Hormones play an important role. Which one plays an important role? Hormones play an important role at the time of puberty. Changes in hormones during this period trigger physical and behavioral changes. Trigger means critical. In that period, which period? Puberty period. That means childhood to adulthood period. What are the changes takes place? Which is responsible for these changes? Hormones only responsible for these changes. We know about the changes hormones during this period trigger physical and behavioral changes. What are the changes takes place? Physical and behavioral changes. Sex hormones secreted at the time of puberty. Which time is secreted? That puberty time only this sex hormone secreted activate the male and female sex glands to produce necessary secretion in the body. The male sex glands the male sex glands testis release the testosterone, this one male sex hormone, and the female sex glands ovaries release estrogen or progesterone. These result in changes in the primary and secondary sexual characteristic of male and the female. What do you know about this paragraph? Hormones only play an important role in the puberty period. And also during this period, so many changes in our body, physical and behavioral changes, and also sex hormones also secreted during this period only. Male sex hormone testosterone and the female sex hormones estrogen or progesterone. Next, body changes at puberty. What are the changes takes place in the puberty time? That only here we saw. Body changes at puberty. 4 important stages that occur during puberty transform the body of a child into that of an adult. These changes are changes in body shape. Body changes at puberty. What are the body changes? 4 important changes. Let us see one by one. Changes in body shape. First of all, change the body shape. Next is changes in body proportion. Next, development of primary sex characteristics. And then development of secondary sex characteristics. These 4 changes we studied, we know about that. Which time takes place? In that puberty time. 4 important changes takes place in the puberty time. Let us see one by one. Changes in body shape or size. The first major changes at the time of puberty is growth, which is the increase in body height and weight. What is the changes? Increases body height and weight. It usually begins at the age of 10 to 12 in girls and 12 to 13 in boys. 10 to 12 years in girls and 12 to 13 years in boys. It is almost complete at around 7 to 19 years in girls and 19 to 20 years in boys. What do you know about this paragraph? Changes in body shape. What are the changes? Increase in body height and weight. In girls, which time start? 10 to 12 years. Starting period 10 to 12 years. Completion period 9 to 20 years. 19 to 20 years. Next, in boys, body shape changes, no? Changes in body size. Which time start? 10 to 13 in boys and finish at the age of 17 to 19 years. 17 to 19 years. During adolescence, both boys and girls add around 23 to centimeter to 26 centimeters in the height. Changes in height and weight, no? That one. First, during adolescent stage, both boys and girls 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter. Which one increase? Height increase. In addition to height, they also experience significant increase in weight and also increase in weight. But increase in weight is influenced by various factors like diet, exercise and lifestyle. Both boys and girls in that adolescent period, which one changes? Height and weight changes. Both boys and girls, height, how much changes takes place? 23 centimeter to 26 centimeter. This one, both also same. But in weight, increase in weight based on the various factors. What are the factors? Diet, exercise and lifestyle. Okay. The average weight gain during this period of about 17 to 19 kilogram. In that period, average weight how much? 17 kilogram to 19 kilogram. During this period, increase in fat is seen in girls, in contrast muscles develop in boys. In that stage, that fat is present in girls. Fat is seen in girls. In contrast to muscles development in boys. Girls, fat is present in the hip region, but muscle development takes place in boys. Next, first changes completed. Changes in body size and shape. Next, changes in body proportion. Changes in body proportion. Certain body areas which are small proportionally grow big. Certain body areas which are small proportionally grow big. This can be seen in feet and hands. There is changes takes place in very accelerate. That means that growth period is very significant. So, which one changes? Feet and hands. During childhood, legs grow proportionately more than the trunk. But at the time of puberty, trunk also lengthens. Also, trunk broadens at the hip. Here, what said? Our body. First head part, after that body proportion, that one, how mentioned in that lesson, trunk part. What said? But at the time of puberty, trunk also lengthen. Our body also lengthen. Also, trunk part broadens at the hip and the shoulder, thus giving the adult proportionally. Also, trunk broadens at the hip and the shoulder, thus giving the adult proportionally to the body. Third one, primary sex characteristic. Reproductive organ of boys and girls become fully functional at the time of puberty. Reproductive organ of boys and girls, both also fully functional. Which time? At the time of puberty. That boys and girls reproductive organ fully grow. Okay. Here we see the picture. Adolescence growth. How they grow. 10 to 19 years. Teenage, up to teenage. Otherwise 10 to 13 years. What you saw? This one. How to grow. Both boys and girls also same in that first period. 10 years. After that, in that adolescent period, boys grow taller than girls. That body proportional also some changes takes place. Here we saw that one, adolescent growth period. In adolescence period, in boys, the testes grow larger, followed by that length and size of the reproductive organ increase. Reproductive organ also increase. The testes, male reproductive organ, boys, grow larger and followed by that length and size of the reproductive organ also increase. Similarly, female reproductive organ also grow during puberty. Which time grow? At the time of puberty. Thus the size of the uterus and the weight of the ovaries increase during this time. Which time? Adolescence time. That means puberty time. What do you mean by puberty? Childhood to adulthood. The changes of transition. Childhood to adulthood stage is called puberty. To attain the puberty. Answer the following. What is adolescence? First question. What is adolescence? The term adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescence. Latin word adolescence, meaning to grow or grow to maturity. Example, increase in height, weight, sex organ, muscle, mass as well as in brain structure and function. The term adolescence derived from the Latin word adolescere. That means what? To grow. Grow to maturity. What are the changes takes place in that adolescent period? Increase in height. Also weight also increase. Sex organs development and then muscle mass as well as brain structure also function in that period. Second question, list out the changes which occur during puberty. What are the changes in puberty stage? Changes in puberty. Already we saw in book reading, no? 4 points. That only here we see. First one, changes in body size. And then second point, changes in body proportion. Third one, development of primary sex characteristics. Last point, development of secondary sex characteristics. This is also seen in the puberty. This changes only takes place in the puberty stage. Next, third question, what are the changes? Physical change we know. What are the physical changes that occur in boys and girls during adolescence? During adolescence, what are the changes takes place in boys and girls? That only this question. First one, physical changes in boys. Height and weight increase. Height and weight increase. Next, muscles develop. Third point, voice break takes place due to lengthening of vocal cord and enlarging of larynx. Voice கரகரன்னு மாறுது இல்லைங்களா பாய்ஸுக்கு, அதுதான் voice breaks. Takes place due to lengthening of vocal cord. vocal cordனா குரல் வலை, அதில் நடைபெற சேஞ்சஸ். and the enlarging of larynx. இதனால் என்ன ஆகுது? வாய்ஸ் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. ஒரு தட்டையான தடித்த குரலாக ஜென்ஸுக்கு இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, அதுதான் இங்கே சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, ஷோல்டர் ப்ராடன்ஸ். திஸ் 4 சேஞ்சஸ் ஃபவுண்ட் இன் தட் பாய்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, ஃபிசிக்கல் சேஞ்சஸ் இன் கேர்ள்ஸ். ஹைட் அண்ட் வெயிட் இன்க்ரீஸ். ஃபேட்டி அண்ட் சப்குட்டேனியஸ் tissues develop. Fatty and subcutaneous tissue. Subcutaneous tissue means that fatty present in the hip region. That broadens, no? That only here said. Voice becomes shrill. And then hip broadens. Hip broadens. These four changes occur in girls. Which time? During the adolescent period. Next, assignment. First question, what is adolescence? Second question, list out the changes which occur during puberty. Third question, what are the physical changes that occur in boys and girls during adolescence? I hope you understood this class. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you, dears. Do well.